2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.